Saturday, the 19th of November, 1 minute to go for race 1 with Avalon Sailing Club, and we have the A-team starter happening here with the flags. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Looks like we've laid it with a bit of bias towards the boat end, or they're all chickened out on the other end. Either way, they're all piling up here behind us. Lead boat is a Milka 218666. Or is it 668? No, 666. 30 seconds to go. And we've also got the Moth 4827 that's heading for a pin end start. Skeeter 027 is halfway up the line. Everyone's at least one boat length, if not two, behind the line, so we're good with that. So Skeeter is most advanced and coming up onto the line, and we'll be very close onto the line. 2, 1. And I think we'll call that a clear start, although it was only just.
Alright, this is Avalon Series, 18th of November, race 2 for the centreboards. We've got Jarvis Saunders on flag duty. Kingsley.
Oh, yeah,
there we go.
Starter.
Do I take this down?
We got a minute 35 until.
Do I take the red and white one down?
No, the class flag, the P flag, the blue and white one with a long horn. We got Zeppelin, that yacht. Don't know what he's doing.
Yeah, good call. Going through our start line right on the start.
Yeah.
Nice work, yacht.
Marine Rescue.
Where are they going? Oh, they're clear of us.
30 seconds to P flag removed and long sound.
30 seconds to P flag.
Is that the red one?
No, blue one.
And then the red stays up. I don't know
Yeah.
what I'm doing yet. So.
20 seconds.
Steady.
Oh, I am trying.
P flag removed and long sound in.
The blue one taking out?
10,
Yeah.
9,
9.
8, 7, 6,
I got the horn.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You're going to lock down the line?
Just the red one up.
Alright, looking down the line, we've got a minute till start. Next one, that one comes down. So far we've got 218 in the lead.
So it's just the red and white one up. Right now, yeah?
Yeah. Good job, Jarvis. 38 seconds till the start of race 2. Kingsley, what do you have to say?
What? Oh yeah, we're going good. Yeah, all the boats are piled up here. We're all good.
Yeah.
And it's flying about, I don't know, about 18 knots or so, something like that.
18 knots.
20 seconds.
What am I doing at this?
Flag removed and sound in.
You pull that one down and hold the horn. 9, 8, 218 666. Clear the start line so far. Got all the boats lining up down the line.
Woo! Clear start.
Clear start. Okay. There we go. Get keen. Oh, here we go.
Oh,
Jesus.